Hi, welcome to Excel Tips GH. My name is John and I'll be your tutor for this course. In today's lesson, we are going to incorporate the income tax on overtime or the overtime tax into our payroll system. In our previous lesson, we delved into how the Income Tax Act 896 Act 2015 required that we treat overtime payment. So we are going to incorporate it into our payroll system so that it will automatically calculate the income tax by inputting the basic salary, the bonus, the cash allowances, and then the overtime. So we are going to insert a column to input our overtime. So we input overtime over here. Now at this side, let us input 3 columns. 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to record less than 15% of basic. Sorry, here we are dealing with 50%, not 15. 15% of our basic, and here greater than 50% of our basic. So this side, we are going to use a conditional formatting. So it is going to be equal to, now we are charging if the overtime is greater than 50% of our basic salary. No, I think we should first check if the total cash emolument exceeds 1,500. So it is going to be if sum of the basic salary and then the cash allowance is greater than 1,500, then here is going to be 0. Other than that, now if here we have to take off this comma. Now if the overtime is greater than 50% of the basic salary, then we are going to charge 5% on the 50% of the basic salary. But if it is less than that, then we are going to charge 5% on the overtime. So we can drag it down. Now with the exceeding, here it is going to be if, and in the same way, if the total cash emolument is greater than 1,005, it should still return to 0. So if sum of the basic salary and the total cash is greater than 1,500, then it should return 0. Other than that, if the overtime is greater than 50% of the basic salary, then we are going to charge 10% on the excess, which is going to be overtime minus 50% of the basic salary. 50% times the basic salary. Other than that, it should return 0. Thank you. So we can scroll it down as well. Now, at this portion, we are going to enter where the basic salary exceeds 1,005. So basic total cash emolument greater than 1,500. So it is going to be equal to, if sum of this and this is greater than 1,500, then we should return the whole overtime payments. Other than that, 0. So let us drag it down. So this side, if we need to add the excess of the overtime to this side, if the total cash emolument is greater than 1,500, then it should be added to the chargeable income. So let us test with our examples. So we have a due in January who earns 1,200, and then also earns an overtime of 500. So let us see. So in our previous calculation, we had we charged a bonus tax of 25 cedis. Let us confirm. In January, we had a overtime tax of 25 cedis, and that is exactly what we have here. So the next thing is that we need to add it to our income tax as well. So here plus this plus this. So let us drag it down. Thank you. So adding it will increase the income tax. Now, but in February, Edu still maintained the 1,200, but he had a bonus, an overtime of 650. So this is going to be the treatment. The first 50%, which is 600, is going to be charged at 5%, and then the excess of 50 is going to be charged at 10%, giving us a 35 cedis. Let us confirm from our previous calculation. Okay, in February. Oh, I think our calculation was wrong. Here should have been 35. Thank you. So we are done with introducing overtime to our calculation as well. If you want this to continue, please like, subscribe and share so that we can always bring you good works. If there are more subscriptions, we are going to introduce a more complex loan or interest into our calculation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.